Welcome to Wine Time with Ciscoe. I am going to show you my favorite plant. So come on, let's go take a look. So I love plants with dark foliage, and the Magic series of Lagerstroemia or Crape Myrtle have black foliage. Now the only problem with a lot of these really cool Crape Myrtles is that they don't tend to bloom very well. This one's called Lunar Magic, and as you can see, it's putting on quite a show. And from everything I've read, this is the first year I've had this, it's supposed to bloom every year without fail as long as it's in a good sunny spot. Now, this plant, because there isn't that much chlorophyll in these leaves because they're black, tends to stay dwarfed better. And if you want to keep it lower, in the spring, you could cut back below where it flowered, and that'll keep it a lot lower. Although it may branch from that spot, but you can't have everything, you know. But I think this is just a gorgeous plant. Even if it doesn't bloom, with its black foliage, it just adds a really cool dimension to any garden. So Lagerstroemia or Crape Myrtle, Lunar Magic, definitely my favorite plant.